Bantwana basekhaya mandizibulisele kuni namhlanje ndikhawuleze ndithi gqabagqaba ngento endize ngayo namhlanje ndizothetha naba bantu kuthiwa xa bekuriferwa kuwe kuthiwa ba-difficult to work with, ba-arrogant, bafuna kuviwe ngabo, bathanda ulawula, bazibhuli, to a point that a lot of times bahle nje bayaphushelwa into yobana they are being shrinked, ukuba kuzanywe into yoba ahle nje uyagxobha uyaxeka uba ungomnye waba bantu. Khawusondele with what I'm gonna tell you today, uzawukhululeka now. Mama Ntasekhaya, izolo I'm watching my favorite podcast yalapha eMdantsane, uNayful podcast. iNayful podcast is more interviewing izdazi zalapha eMdantsane, boxers, musicians, spiritual people, everything, like ubiza the people abalapha eMdantsane abakhulayo kwi-craft zabo, ne? So into eyenzekayo, I'm watching uCamako interviewing uFlash Kumkani on the Nayful podcast, and then masithethe nge-artist le I interview what is happening. The artist uFlash Kumkani, which bendiqala ke shem ukumbona andimazi nam, and kukhona andimazi umfana waseQonce who is very gifted. When I checked his thing, he was actually one of those people that were groomed by MT. He was also part of MT Records or something like that, and also usuko kwenza nomculo. He almost made music with uAifani. For us who used to love umculo kaAifani, mnake I'm a big rap fan. I love the rap genre. I've always been a hip hop girl since the Tupac days. So he tells ukuthi une beef mos no MT. Somehow there's something that happened between them where Caba Abasavani, even no Aifani, and he also listed other people that he worked with abangakhange akwazi baba seqhubeka ukusebenza kunye, and now he is being called umuntu o-difficult, othanda ukulwa nezinye artists, or arrogant and all that. But like in the comment sections there, people were starting to say uthanda ukulwa, and like meaning that xa abantu bembiza lo hlobo, they want him to shrink. They want him to shrink and not be who he is seeing himself to be. Number one that I want to say to here is that, this is what I commented there. I said, greatness requires isolation. Number two, your calling, whether it's a spiritual calling, spiritual gift, artist, anything creative, it doesn't need a noise. It doesn't need a conference call, because you are the one that has been called with this gift. You are the one who knows what is in your head about this gift. Uzawuyiva into ofuneka uyifumene, ne? So what's happening here is that this guy is starting to be called difficult. And I want you, if nawe ungomnye wabantu babizwa as difficult and arrogant, understand ukuthi i-greatness ifuna abantu aba-difficult. Greatness ifuna abantu that are structured, they know and listen to their ear, to their dreams, listen to their intuition nge-crafts zabo, and be able to stand up even if ingxolo iyakungxolela. People are saying if ubungakhange umphikisa MT go you household name now, there is no delay in anyone's talent. Abanye abantu abazelanga zoku understandwa apha emhlabeni, they are here to be remembered. And remember, my friends, as a spiritual person, I see this guy as a person that is going to be our next big thing, because his success is coming in the time where we are in the U versus U cycle, and sikwixesha lokubana i-system iyawa. I want to speak about other people that have been called difficult before. AKA, the late AKA, was known for being arrogant with his craft. Look where it got him. Another person was Michael Jordan, family. Michael Jordan was known for being arrogant, rude, bully, what effort that did he wanted from you ukuze ukwazi ukudlala naye in the same basketball court. And there's also an actress, ndimlibele igama lakhe bendiyibona izolo, kuthethwa into yoba wagxothelwa into yobana ezinye actors, they used to call it difficult because that lady didn't want mediocre. She's one of the greatest actresses. I'll look for her name. I forgot it. I put it in the comment section. So what I'm here for you today is to say to you, once you are one of these people that are being called difficult, arrogant, and ubizwa ngamagama, and you get to be disconnected, umane ukhathwa, umane uvaleleka iminyango, there are many opportunities, even for myself, that have if I didn't get to be arrogant and say no, I don't want my name to be known like this. I want my name to be known like this. Up until today, where I'm still building at this age that I am. So I want you to understand that each and everything that is happening to you, every repeated fight, every repeated stalk or haters and everyone that are going to call you, it is not people are not actually fighting you. They are actually cheering you to be alone and do your thing, because greatness requires isolation. Love and light, family. Peace out.